I'm going to try to keep this as brief as possible because I know this is a little bit maybe outside of what most of you in the room have to deal with, but this is a huge issue at the ports because you have ships with 18,000 containers on them or 9,000 containers on them. Then they go from the ship to the terminal yard, they go onto a train, they go onto a truck. You've got the BCO, beneficial cargo owner, who's somebody like Target or a smaller manufacturer who's looking for that container. And none of these systems talk to each other. So you've got all these shipping lines, all these trains, all these trucks. We have tens of thousands of trucks that come in and out of ports every day. They don't know exactly where their container is. They show up at the terminal. They have to wait for hours. They have to wait for the container to be located. Then they have to, get it out to the yard. It can take a week in order to get that container off of the ship and onto the back of the truck. So this is a huge issue when you're looking at efficiency and velocity of trying to get those containers through the port and through the system into the goods movement supply chain and into the hands of consumers or manufacturers. You're waiting for that material in order to finish your manufacturing process. So the technology platform is something that is just now really starting to gain some momentum at the ports. And they're really starting, when they're looking at efficiency and realizing that they have all of these roadblocks in order to gain that efficiency. Now, how do we get there? And it's a huge, huge nut to crack.